Hi, my name is Goodluck. Welcome to Logarithmic Academy. In this video, we will discuss about how to solve this logarithmic equation. They said if 2 log x plus log y minus 2 is equal to 0, find y in terms of x. For us to be able to simplify this equation, we must bring our knowledge of laws of logarithm, and we do laws to be easy for us to simplify. Let's solve the problem. Now, let's rewrite our equation. Now, from our index law of logarithm, this equation can be expressed as log s raised to the power of 2 plus log y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, we know that since we have addition here, in our left-hand side, we can apply the law of addition. So we can have that this becomes log x squared times y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, from the laws of logarithm, we know the logarithm of 1 to any base is 0. So therefore, our equation becomes log x squared times y minus 2 equal to log 1. Now from our equation, we can see that we have the same base in logarithm. So therefore, we can equate terms. So equating terms, we have that x squared times y minus 2 equal to 1. So from here, we can expand the bracket where we have x squared times y minus 2x squared equal to 1. From here, we can see that our x squared can be factorized. So we have x squared bracket y minus 2 equal to 1. So from this expression, we can make y the subject. We have that this will be y minus 2 equal to 1 divided by x squared. So therefore, y becomes 1 divided by x squared plus 2. That is the answer. So we have been able to express y in terms of x. We just apply the laws of logarithm and we arrive at the expression that shows y in terms of x. If you know you found value in this video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Share it. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.